really awesome, and I'm so excited to be here. And I'm really glad that it's awesome because I didn't expect that. How many of us are here? Like 30 something? Because I expected like 20 only. But it's so happy. Hi, English no more. Guys, I'm not really good in English, but I'll try my best to speak the program. And before, I'll share, I'm just going to share it because 2 years ago, I've been attended Red Deer, and then when I attend the Red Deer Church, I think the youth was only, I think it's for Reza, Antibabos, Tiffany, and Ezekiel. And then after 1 year, and then we had a good bonding, and we had a group. We made a group like for the youth, just to have